Hello everyone, for this part of the video, we are going to explore problems that involves map skill, and for such question they always like to give us in ratio form, where the distance on the map is on the left side and the actual distance will be on the right side. So these are some steps that you take note of. When it's given in this form, the unit is cm. So we must check whether the actual distance in the question, is it meter or is it kilometer, so that we can change accordingly. If it is meter, we divide by 100. If it is kilometer, we divide by 100,000. Then we can form some equation and solve for the unknown. Okay, let me illustrate this with some examples.